Hey guys, shaFs here. So today I'm gonna show you a tutorial of two setups which are based on the WWE and are purely made on Xiaomi's theme app, meaning that no KWGT or any other launcher are used in this setup. So if you are new here, do subscribe if you haven't. Now without further ado, let's get started. So watch the full video so you don't miss anything. So firstly, we'll go to the launcher settings and change the icon size to 0 and layout to 5. Now we will add the first clock widget on the home screen. Remember the first one because the theme only applies to that first one. Now we will download the theme called Green Bridge and we will apply it only to home screen. So for icons I used Red Glory, and for system download the MIUI 13 Lite. As for the lock screen, I have downloaded the Red Glow. Now for the second setup, I have downloaded the Master UI Lite for home screen and Yellow for the icons. Now we'll go to the home and you can see here the setup has changed. Now for the wallpaper, you can download it from the link in the comment section, and now we will apply it. After applying the wallpaper, now we will just place the icons according to the wallpapers. Now your setup is complete. So that's it from my end. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did, then do like the video and subscribe if you haven't. This is shaFs and I will see you in the next one.